Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing great. Today I'm going to be showing you how to predict the next market direction and make consistent profits on pocket option platform, and show you how you can take good trades using my powerful strategy. So let's just get right into it. I'm currently looking at AD USD. It's an OTC market. If you look here on the 5 minute chart, it's kind of like moving a red green pattern. I'm not seeing strong interest from buyers that the market wants to trade higher. And with this current candle on the 1 minute chart, it shows good sign of sellers. The market is kind of like maintaining that high. It's not interested in going above that high. So I think the market could start selling. Let me see the close of this candle. Okay, it's a good red candle. And from the 5 minute chart, it looks like the next candle is still going to drop down, since the market is kind of like giving the red green pattern. So my stake and my expiry time has been set. I just need a good entry. And then I will sell for 4 minutes because of the current sign I'm seeing from sellers. Okay, that's good. I will sell right there. Alright, fantastic. So you can see the market is kind of like maintaining that high. It's going to form a double top pattern, a potential double top pattern, and then the market is going to drop. And from the 5 minute charts, I wanted to sell because the other green candle was not strong enough. So it's within that range on the 5 minute chart. So I just wanted to continue there for sellers to come in. I think it's a good trade though, if you look at it from the 1 minute chart. So alright, the first candle is running already. Good sellers interest now. That's a good start. Like I always say, if the first two candles go in my direction, high chances that trade is an item. I would like this candle to close strongly as a good body candle, and then the next one should just follow, and thereafter. Alright, good one. Alright, first candle was strong enough. That's a very good sign. Very good sign. High chances that this trade is an item. So let's see what the next candle will look like. But while the trade is running, always remember I have a Telegram community where I post about the market updates, post about my trades, give some insightful tips about the trading. So you don't want to miss it. Do all to click the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram community. And if it's the first time on my channel, make sure you hit subscribe, drop a comment, and hit the like button. At the same time, share this video for those that are going to be interested. This is the best channel you can ever find when it comes to trading the financial markets, both on Forex and both on binary option. This is the best you can ever find. Alright, so there we go. The second candle was a small green candle, probably just a retracement. The next two candles are going to determine the item, but it's still below my entry, so I'm sure the trade is going to be an item. That might be a lower low, lower high pattern. I think that's what it's doing. That green candle might be an opportunity for more sellers to jump in. Oh, a new 5 minute candle just started. Interesting. I just hope that brings more sellers because the previous one was not strong enough. So this new 5 minute candle is going to bring more sellers. Alright, so a few seconds more. Okay, it's already a night here. Let's see the close of the candle. I think it's never gonna get my entry. Alright, half a few seconds more. Okay, beautiful. That was a good trade. Alright, awesome. That was a night here. I won my first trade. So, but the market didn't trend. The market didn't really trend. So I'm gonna be looking out for another setup in a good market. Here, the market is kind of like consolidating. No clear setup yet. Oh yeah, it's basically consolidation. Oh, I'm not seeing a clear market. Trying to wait for kind of like looking for a good market to take the next trade. But instead of I'm gonna waste my time, I'm just gonna come back and pause the video and come back. Here the market is at all-time low. This one has already trended to the lower part, and if I could see a reversal sign, maybe I could buy, or I could continue with sellers. But I'll just come back and when I have a high probability trade. Alright guys, so I had to pause the video and I've been looking out for some pairs. Now I'm in stocks. I left the currencies because most of them were consolidating. So I'm right here on stock, looking at Johnson and Johnson. The market is at its all-time high, and we're seeing some good sellers interest. So probably, you know, the market momentum, higher high, higher low. So might get a higher low anytime soon in this market. I think that's the best I could do. If I will see, I want to follow the trend. I'm not sure if it's going to continue higher because the market already bought for a while. So on that level, I kept there. That should be my entry for a sell. Okay, perfect entry. So I'm gonna sell there for 4 minutes. Why? Because I'm seeing signs that the market wants to give me lower low, lower high pattern, and that entry was just the best because of the double top pattern that I'm expecting. Because most of the time the market does that pattern before reversing. Sometimes it doesn't just reverse directly, so that would uh, that would be a very good place to enter. Okay, so let's see how it goes. I might need to ride this trend. If the market is going to dip for a long time, I'm still going to add another position. Like I always say, I want to see the first two candles in the first 2 minutes of my trade. I want to see them go in my direction. That gives me a lot of hope when I'm trading. Don't forget, you can still learn to trade like me. If you're interested, do want to contact me. My contact details are below. I'm going to teach you live on how to always come out with sniper entries, how to understand the market on a deeper level, what nobody is seeing in the market. I'm going to show you that, and you're going to have a lot of confidence in predicting the next market direction. Alright, sellers are coming in now. Surely I want to see more of that. That's the second candle in my trade, so it should run into profit. All right, so second candle is down, and that was a good seller's entry. A good seller's entry below my entry point already. So like I said, the first two candles, that's the first 2 minutes into my trade. I want to see the market be in my direction, and it's already doing that. You can see it didn't create a higher high. When it got to that high, it shows that sellers are more interested, and now you can see the dip. You can see the dip. My entry was top notch, the best points you could ever find for this trade. Alright, the third candle is dipping seriously. So if it goes below that level, if it goes below that low, that's a confirmation that sellers are now in charge of the market, which it did. I think I'm going to add another position. I'm going to add one more position while it's running. Okay, good reversal pattern I'm seeing on the 5 minutes chart. So right here, I think that's a good retracement. Okay, a little bit higher. I want to get the sniper entry. Okay, I'm gonna sell there. Perfect. I think that should be the best entry I could get on this one. So I added a position here. I took another sell because you can see the pattern. It broke that low. Now it wants to give me lower low, lower high pattern. It's very clear. It's very clear. It's a clear price action. I just expect the market after the green candle. I just expect the market to continue the sell-off. Yeah, that's what I expect the market to do. So you can see my first trade has closed in profit. That was a good idea. And now I'm on the second trade, which I added another position as the first one was running, because I can clearly see the market direction, except the market wants to go within a range, but it can't go within a range because I actually allowed it to go below that low, and most of the time if it goes below the low, it's not ranging. All right, so I want to see the first two candles, as I always say, in my direction. This is my last trade, so let's see how it goes. I like the fact that that candle wicked high and dropped, so it shows that the market might not get to that high again. From price action perspective, shows that the market wouldn't get to that high again. The market will just continue selling. I love that rejection. But the current 5 minutes candle is not looking strong. It's looking like dodgy, and it's looking weak. Wow. The current 5 minutes candle is not impressing me. I'm expecting more sellers into the market, but it's just looking like consolidation on the 5 minutes chart. But I'm still hopeful. Still hopeful about my trade. It's kind of like ranging within that high and within that low. But I'm still hopeful about my trade. Okay, we have less than 1 minute more. That means the item is going to be on the last candle. The last candle, that's what's going to confirm the item. Alright. We have a few seconds more. Just in a little bit more deep. And that confirms the item. I don't want you to reject. Okay. All right. Okay, that was an item. Fantastic. That was an item. So I won the trade. Beautiful. I took about 3 trades. Good entries. Beautiful items. The last one was quite emotional, but I still won the trade. I think the market could still drop. The market could still deep, but all the very best. Hope you find this video insightful. If you want to learn more, like I said, do want to contact me. My contact details are below. Join my Telegram community, and if it's your first time, subscribe to the channel, hit the like, drop a comment, and share this video. As always, I wish you all good luck, good trading. Peace. Bye for now.